Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to go over the new item that I spot from Costco, which is the lobster roll right here. I think it's coming from and that's East Coast. Let's open up and see how it looks like. Come with 4 rolls with the lobster meat and the rolls, spice and butter. And let's open up and see how it looks like. Oh, looks very fancy inside the box. Wow, look at this. The packaging was packed very well. So here's the lobster, the bun. I think probably we're just gonna toast it. And here we just need to heat it up. The lobster meat. And then the spice. And then butter. The butter has seasoning too. It's awesome. Yellowish color. I think probably with butter, with lobster stuff and herbs on it. So one thing I didn't do based on the instruction is kind of too late once I read it. You're supposed to defrost this in advance. So right now it's frozen. I'm gonna use hot water to kind of defrost it real quick so I can cook it on a pan. I have a little like hot water, just like put it in a few minutes and hopefully I can take the fat out and then start cooking on a pan. Just let it soak in a bit. As long as I can open this package, I can start cooking on the pan. Alright, so now while I try to defrost my lobster, I'm gonna heat up the bun. They say that this comes with 2 butter. It says it's gonna use 1. Oh, the butter smells so good. It says medium heat. Okay, wait until it melts. And then we're gonna put the bun. Just waiting the butter to melt. Alright, at least I put in the hot water. Now the water is cold. I think this is ready. I can open it easily. So let's cut it out. And then they say that take out the water from the lobster. That's why you don't need this kind of seafood frozen water. Okay, so they say it should cut it. So let me heat it up without cutting first, and then because it's still like frozen inside, and then I'll start adding seasoning while cooking, heating up. Okay, I wonder if I need to cut it too. Looks like it's already breaking apart. I don't have to cut it, the meat, by looking itself. So I'm gonna use like a kind of low settings because technically you don't have to reheat the lobster. It's already cooked. I just want to like make sure it melt because I kind of forgot to like defrost it. Make sure you do the right way. Or you'll be like me right now. Try to defrost the meat. It's very strong lobster flavor coming out. Yeah, definitely not doing the right approach, but trying to like get defrost in the center. Yeah, definitely you don't have to cut it because it's already into like small pieces. Yeah, finally got everything like breaking apart. So I'm gonna add some seasoning. This is the seasoning. It's very strong taste. It's spicy too. If you cannot handle it, I will not suggest to add a lot. So I'm gonna just add a little bit and that's it. Yeah, I don't think the seasoning is good for me. So make sure you try a little bit first before you add it a lot. All right, it looks a lot of lobster, definitely. All the cuts. And then I'm gonna add the remaining butter. Yeah, I'm still keeping the low setting temperature because the lobster is already cooked. And you see the butter starting to melt. I'm just gonna start mixing up. It smells so good with all the seafood. Alright, it looks like it's just ready. It smells so good with the herbs. With the butter, it looks very colorful, very moist. I'll make sure we have enough before I start spreading out the rest. Evenly spread, it has a lot of lobster, each single of them. And now let's try it. It looks a lot of meat and smells so good. With strong lobster and the butter. Again, I warmed up the bread, so next time I will do a better job on it. The lobster is awesome. Not counting the roll that I messed up, that I break apart. Next time I'll do a better job. But it's awesome good. It's the buttery taste with the herbs, and the lobster doesn't feel like the lobster feels very fresh too. You cannot even taste the frozen lobster. And the price is very reasonable compared. Restaurant is like 50% discount right here if you can make it at home. It tastes so good, especially the butter. It's not just a regular butter. I would highly recommend if you see it and buy it. Every bite is full of lobster meat. It's so good. I think the butter itself has some seafood taste. It's just to make everything is just a perfect match. Again, now it's just like ruin it. The bread is all messed up. But next time I'm gonna do a better job with the toasting the bread. Yeah. No doubt, see it, grab them, and make it at home. You get 4 of them, and you can evenly spread, and so much meat on it. It's definitely enough for like 4 rolls, not like just a little bit plain meat. Every meat is to have cod and then the leggings, and it's just so much meat doesn't feel like the low quality stuff. Yeah, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.